In this video, we will show you how to install the remote controller for cross-country suspension from Öhlins. To maintain the high level of performance, it's important to follow the service intervals. At Öhlins.com, you can access manuals and find specifications for your product. Follow the steps in the owner's manuals on how to install the front fork and rear shock, also referring to the bike manufacturer instructions. Mount the remote unit on the handlebar and tighten it to the specified torque or less, if stated so by the handlebar manufacturer. Make sure the golden barrel adjusters are screwed all the way in, using a 6mm hex key. Route the cable housing from the remote to the remote connection on the fork top. Cut it to desired length. Use a 1.1mm shift cable and follow through. Pull the shift cable slightly to remove any slack. Tighten the 1.5mm hex screw holding the shift cable to the specified torque. Route the cable housing, connecting the rear shock according to the bike manufacturer's recommendations. Follow through with a 1.1mm shift cable. Pull the shift cable to remove any slack and secure it with the 2mm hex screw. Press the lower lever to reach the lockout mode in the third position. Compress front and rear suspension. There should be no movement. If needed, screw the barrel adjusters individually, counterclockwise to reach lockout position. Stop as soon as the suspension feels firm. Cut the shift cables and secure it with a cable end. Now you're done in the workshop, it's time to go riding.